Convert your CBR150R stock speedometer to universal speedometer. From stock to this universal speedometer. Welcome to MNY Tech Learning Channel. This channel is for those who want to learn basics. If you learn something from this channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you to notify for our new video. Universal Speedometer Connection Reference. CBR150R Connector Reference. Let's start with 9-pin connector. Connect black wire IGM to terminal plus 12 volts IGN. Connect green negative pole to negative ground. Connect red power positive to positive 12 volts battery. Connect blue and white fuel gauge to fuel gauge. Connect green and yellow water to temp. Connect blue and yellow tachometer to RPM. Connect orange left turn signal to L signal. Connect blue headlight to high beam. Connect white right turn signal to R signal. Now we are done with 9 pins connector. Let's proceed to 6 pins connection. Connect green and red neutral gear to neutral. Connect pink first gear to first gear. Connect blue and red second gear to second gear. Connect green and black third gear to third gear. Connect yellow and red fourth gear to fourth gear. Connect yellow and white fifth gear to fifth gear. We are done with 6 pins connector. Let's connect the separated 2 wire. Connect gray 6th gear to 6th gear. Connect black and red check engine to check engine. We are done with separated wire connection. Lastly, we proceed to speed sensor connection. In this conversion we will use speed sensor of CBR150R, not the sensor package of universal speedometer. Connect yellow speedometer to RPM. Connect green negative pole to speed sensor negative ground. Connect white and black speed signal to speed sensor out. All required connection are done. We can now connect and install our new universal speedometer to CBR150R. Modify speedometer as shown. To posably mount the universal speedometer in CBR150R mounting location. Thank you for watching. In the next video we will discuss the parameter setting of universal speedometer.